Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by ensuring a stable Wi-Fi connection and enough battery. Plug the iPhone in if needed. Once connected, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to check for updates. You'll see the available version and its size, review release notes so you know what changes to expect. Tap Download and Install to start. If you're low on space, the device may suggest offloading apps. Allow that to free room. Make sure your backup is current before the install proceeds. Once you tap Download, monitor the progress bar and avoid switching networks. If the update asks for your passcode or Apple ID, enter it promptly so the process isn't delayed. The iPhone may verify the update and prepare the package. This can take several minutes. If space is insufficient, accept the suggestion to offload unused apps. Your data stays intact. Make sure to remain on the settings screen if prompted. Then choose Install Now. When the download and verification finished, tap Install Now and let the iPhone restart. You'll see an Apple logo and a progress bar while files are applied. This step takes time. Don't force shutdown. Once it reboots, sign in if requested and go to Settings, General, about to verify the iOS version. If something goes wrong, restart the phone and attempt the update again. If it still fails, free 1 to 2 gigabytes of space or connect to a Mac and use Finder to update or restore. That usually resolves persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.